Hey everyone, it's Sam and I'm back to open day number 3 from the Made to Surprise Advent. I hope those of you that have yours, you're enjoying it so far. So, there it is. I did keep it near the top. So, we've got something a little bit heavier. It's making some noise. What could it be? So, let's see. Just take tape off there. I'll do it this way with you. It's a new wax seal and handle, and this one says hello. So when I was thinking about tools and other things to put inside, I thought it'd be nice to have some new colours for the handle. These are universal, so they will fit with other wax seals that you have, but also my ones from my Happy Mail and my other collections. But I was looking at all of the different ones that I had and I didn't have anything that just said a simple hello. And I think sometimes we send just because cards, or, you know, we don't always want to use a happy birthday and things like that. I think hello, it's a really lovely font. There we go, that's showing it perfectly. So what I thought we could do is decorate the envelopes for the 2 cards that I've made. So let's flip the camera around and I'll show you how to use it. So this is the closer look at the new one. So you've got your lovely pink handle there. This all unscrews and it will coordinate with my Happy Mail kit. The handle's there. It's universal, so it will work with other things that you have as well. But you can see there I've just popped the, what's that one, Happy Mail. So that comes in the kit. I will link that below this video because you get the burner, you'll get your spoon, you get your Happy Mail wax seal and handle, you get your, this one here. So you get your jar there of your wax beads and the white, the gold and the silver. So I have already decorated the envelope for the day one card that I made. So I'm going to, I know I repeat myself for a lot of you that follow me, but I have to always say this. These are used stamps. I like them to decorate my cards, especially when I'm using a wax seal. And then most of my cards get hand delivered, but the ones that do get posted, then I just put them in a little protective, like padded wallet, or they go in a little plastic envelope, and then that will have the proper stamp put on. But this is just a little extra. So these are festive ones. We've got there's 3 kings there, an angel, and then this one here has Mary and Joseph on their way to the inn. And then I've just stuck with the colours, the red, whites and the greens. I also then have 2 different stamp sets. So I've got my Christmas stamp set and I've got the all occasions, and these are all of your faux postal stamps, so your faux franking. There's some lovely ones. Again, you can see here I've used Santa Claus. It says 25th of December, North Pole Airmail. This one says Merry Christmas with the snowflake. You've got the little tree there, December the 25th, sleigh mail. You've got ones for Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Easter. So there's a real nice selection. Again, I will link as much as I can in the description box. So I then just like to go back over and just stamp as if I'm franking them in the post office. And I know you can buy your nice stamps still. A lot of the ones that just go through the system now are just printed, like black and white ones. So this just makes it a little bit nicer. That looks good. So I've got my red wax beads all melting there. I've then got my cooling plate. So this is good to prepare your envelopes beforehand. If you're using store-bought, they will have the gum, so you can just seal it as normal with the gum, or, you know, fill out your card, pop it in the envelope and seal it. You wouldn't need the cooling plate. So I've got the hello there. I'm just going to pour that out. I always like my wax seals quite big. Make sure it's the right way up. Lay that one down. If you get any air bubbles, just blast it with your heat gun. I'm just going to leave that now to cool. Okay, and then it should just pop off once that has cooled. Just carefully lift that one off there. I'll just bring this one up. There you go. You can see the hello with the little hearts next to it. And I'll just bring up the gold one there. When it catches the light, there we go. You can see, there we go. Isn't it cute? So now I've got 2 lovely envelopes for the 2 cards that I've made. If you're just joining on this video, just go to the playlist and you'll be able to see all of the other videos that I've made so far using the supplies in the Advent. So once again, thank you for watching. I'm going to go and finish my lovely coffee and I'll be back again very soon. Bye.